Hi friends, Professor Joe here. I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to cover another important aspect of Forex trading. That is your Forex trading style and trading sessions. It is very, very important for a trader to understand what kind of trader the trader is. So let us see the different kind of trading styles and trading sessions, and basis that you can decide what kind of trader you want to become. So when you talk about a trading plan or a trading style, there are different kinds of trading. So let us see what are the different kind of trading, and then let's understand the positives and negatives of each kind of trading style. The first kind of trading is called as scalping. The second kind of trading is called as day trading. The third kind of trading is called as trading the news. The fourth kind of trading is called as swing trading. The fifth kind of trading is called as position trading. And then there is something called as algo trading or high frequency trading. So let us see what are the key features of each kind of trading, and with what kind of personality traits you should go for which kind of trading style. So let us understand what is scalping. In scalping, a trader enters into a large number of trades. The timing that the trader enters the trade for is very, very short. It can be for 1 minute, it can be for 5 minutes, it can be for 10 minutes. And normally these kind of trading will happen on smaller time frames, like a 1 minute chart, 3 minute chart, 5 minute chart, maybe maximum 15 minutes chart. The trader in this kind of trading is looking to profit from small price movements. They're looking at very, very small price movements to make profit. And the stop losses are very, very tight. The stop losses are very, very tight in this kind of trading. This kind of trading requires continuous monitoring. It's very, very important to stay in front of the screen. And intense focus is needed when you are a scalper. A scalper is always under high stress because the number of lots they enter with is very, very high. They are looking at small movements. So even the stop loss is at a very, very small gap. So there are multiple times that a stop loss can get hit. And high discipline is needed while you're scalping because you cannot break your rules. So let us see what kind of person should go for scalping. So a person who can take high stress, is able to manage stress very well, can go for scalping. A very, very disciplined person, because in scalping, you have to make sure that you will only enter when your setup is there, else you're not going to enter. Attention to details, because a scalper looks at a lot of technical points. So everything has to be aligned properly before they enter into that trade. Quick decision making, because since they are trading on a very, very small time frame, like 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, they have to be very, very quick with their decision making. There is always a lot of high transaction cost because the broker is charging brokerage on every time you enter and exit a trade. So there's a lot of transaction cost when you're scalping. And a person who can give a lot of screen time. That means a person who can spend time in front of the screen is a person who should go for scalping. So I hope it is clear that what kind of a person should go for scalping. Let us see the next style of trading. The next style of trading is called as day trading. In day trading, the trader enters in 1 or 2 trades during the day. Here also, the goal is to profit from short-term movements. The time frame used is also small, but it is not a 1 minute or 3 minute chart. It is normally from 5 minutes to 15 minutes to half an hour charts. In this kind of trading, a trader also enters into multiple trades at one particular time. For day trading, a trader uses technical analysis a lot. Now, a trader who trades only during the day, cuts the trade by evening or by the end of the day, can use a lot of high margins. So you have to be very, very careful while utilizing high margins because it can go other ways also. A day trader should also, like a scalper, have very good risk management systems in place A trader with high emotional discipline, somebody who does day trading should have very good emotional discipline. So let us see what kind of person should actually go for day trading. Number one, experience plays a very, very important role in day trading. If you are a new trader or a fresh trader, I would suggest you should go for swing trading. We will see what is swing trading. So to become a day trader, a little bit of experience is needed. You should have seen the markets for some time. A lot of discipline is needed to become a day trader, because in day trading also you have to take quick decisions. You have to make sure that the technical tools are aligned properly. So discipline is a must. Emotion stability, because you will face a lot of stop losses. You have to be an emotionally stable person to go for day trading. Quick decision making, as I said, you're trading on smaller time frames. So whenever you're trading on smaller time frames, your decision making ability should be quick. Here again, somebody who is okay to accept a lot of transaction cost, because the brokerage will be high in this kind of trading style also. Day trading also requires a lot of time, because you have to sit in front of the screen and monitor the screen for your setup to happen. And somebody who can adapt, because in currency trading, very, very quickly things change. If you want to go for day trading, these are the skills you should have so that you can do day trading. Let us look at the next style of trading. The next style of trading is called as trading the news. Whenever there is some big news release, like unemployment data, GDP, inflation, when these kind of news come out, there is a lot of movement in the currency pair. A person who want to trade on news should also be very, very swift, because here you're not looking at any time frames. Okay, so you have to be quick if you're going for the news trading. And when you're trading the news, there is a lot of volatility in the market. So the stop losses also is normally very, very large. So you should have that risk-taking capacity if you're entering into news trading. The next important thing about news trading is that the source that you're receiving the information from should be a genuine source. Now let us see what kind of person should be doing news trading. An experienced person who understands news and the currency pair, that is very, very important. So you should have enough time trading a particular currency pair and watching the news outcome at least 3 to 4 times before you start trading the news. A trader who believes and understands fundamentals of a currency. So you need to have enough knowledge about the currency pair. It is not only the technical side of things, but also the fundamental side of things. News trading requires quick entry. As long as the news is not out, you can be relaxed. But once the news is out, you have to be very, very fast. The risk tolerance of a person entering news trade has to be very, very high. Your stop loss distance from the trade is normally high because of the volatility. So you should be able to absorb that risk. And a person who has access to technologies, and especially when the news is coming out, then only you can go for news trading. Let us look at the next style of trading. The next style of trading is called as swing trading. Now, this is one of the most popular way of trading. Swing trading aims to profit from short-term trades and medium-term trades. So here the time frame that you are looking at is a little bit longer. These trades will be active for a few days and maybe sometimes for a few weeks also. Understanding the swing movements of a currency pair is very, very important. At the same time, entering at a good level. Now, when you talk about swing trading, you don't have to enter at an exact point. Here you are entering into zones. So a little bit here and there is fine. Swing trading focuses on technical analysis like higher high and lower lows. In swing trading, the time frames used is 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours. So the time frame is higher. This gives the trader enough time to think whether they want to enter the trade or not. But yes, in swing trading also, you should have good risk management systems in place, because you are entering into multiple trades in a month. So it's important that you keep your risk under control. Let us see what kind of person should go for swing trading. Now, when you look at swing trading, because you are trading at higher time frames, the first important skill a person should have is a lot of patience. So swing trading requires patience. A person who has other work other businesses so that they don't get bored in front of the screen. So you're doing your work, you are managing your business, and whenever you feel, you come and check. And if you think that there is a right entry point, you enter the trade. Risk should be managed well, and the rewards also should be understood properly. So the risk to reward ratio should be maintained properly. For swing trading, a person should have good knowledge about technical analysis. A swing trader should be very, very emotionally disciplined. Sometimes, few days you will not get a good entry point. Then you need to be disciplined. And sometimes, after getting an entry point, the stop loss might hit very, very quickly. So that emotional discipline has to be there. There should not be any revenge trading against the market, especially when you're doing swing trading. A person who is ready to accept mistakes and learn from their mistakes is a person who should go for swing trading, because here also there will be multiple mistakes that a trader will do. So I hope you understand what kind of a trader you should be if you want to adopt swing trading as your trading style. Let us look at the next type of trading style. The next type of trading style is called as position trading. Position trading is also called as long-term trading. In this kind of trading, the trader is holding the position for a pretty long time, and the time frames used are also long. 4-hour time frame, 1-day time frame, weekly time frames. Position trading aims to take advantage of long-term trend movement. It is less stressful because your stop loss is pretty wide and you will not be entering into multiple trades. Entry in position trading or long-term trading need not be specific. Here also you are entering in a particular zone. So you have enough time. Sometimes the price is in that zone for a couple of hours, sometimes couple of days also. So you have enough time to enter the trade. Position traders should understand technical analysis, but at the same time look at the fundamentals of the currency pair, because this gives them a better idea in which direction the currency pair is going to move. Now let us look at what kind of a person should adopt position trading. A person who is very, very patient and disciplined. It's very, very important that you have to be a patient person, a disciplined person to go for position trading. Your analytical skills should be strong because your entry and exit is not on small price movement. So you should look at the bigger picture, do better analysis of the charts and fundamental analysis. Here, a lot of position traders sometimes don't even put a stop loss. So you should have good understanding about risk management, that how much you can risk in one particular trade. You should be an emotionally stable person, because sometimes some trades will take very, very long to give you profits. You have to be a very, very strong person emotionally. You should also have a long-term vision about the currency pair basis, the fundamental information that is available. So I hope that you are clear that what kind of person should go for position trading. Now let us see what is algo trading. Algo is nothing but algorithmic trading. Basically, a person is using computer programming for algo trading. So a person who has a little bit knowledge about computers, a person who understands what parameters are input into the program, that is the kind of person who will be able to do algo trading. Now, since no human intervention is there in algo trading, it can sometimes be very, very bad, because sometimes the algorithm might give you a lot of losses. So you should be able to accept those losses. Second is, because no human intervention is there, there is no emotion. Sometimes you get very, very good profits also. Entries and exits are very, very fast because the computer itself is doing it. So it is also called as high frequency trading. Now let us see what kind of person should adopt algo trading. A person who understands computers and programming. Because even if you're purchasing a EA, you still need to have a basic understanding what parameters are entered into that EA or the algo which you are going to use for trading. So you need to have a basic understanding of programming. Market knowledge is very, very important. Whether your algo, whatever programming has been done, will do well in one particular type of markets. You need to have access to good computers. So you need to have good tools with you when you're using algo trading. Algo trading requires a lot of tweaking in the strategy. So a person who is ready to learn continuously should go for algo trading. So I hope it is clear that if you want to go with algo trading or high frequency trading or robo trading, You need to have access to these things and you should have knowledge, okay, about the programming. Then only go for algo trade. Trading sessions also plays a very, very important role in your trading plan or trading style, especially a person who is going for scalping and day trading. It's very, very important for them. The Forex market is open 24 hours, 5 days a week. So if you don't have an idea of the trading session, you will sit in front of the screen full 24 hours and you will spoil your health. So it is very, very important that you understand what is a trading session and which trading sessions you are supposed to be in front of the screen. So there are 4 major trading sessions. One is Sydney, the other is Tokyo, the third is London session, and the fourth is New York session. It is always better to trade in a currency pair in that particular trading session. So for example, if you want to trade in JPY pairs, then you should trade only in the Tokyo session. You should not go for Euro pairs at that session in the Tokyo session. You should not go for Euro pairs in Tokyo session. If you are trading in Tokyo session, you will get desirable result if you're trading in JPY pairs because the market is open, the market is active at that particular time. The most active session globally is the Euro session and the US session and the overlap period between Euro and US session. I hope that this video has made it very, very clear that what kind of trading style you should adapt if you are a particular kind of person. This is very, very important in Forex. Understanding your skills and then adopting to that kind of trading style will make you a very, very successful trader. And also understanding the trading sessions. It is very, very important that you trade in the right trading session in the right currency pair. This is another technique to make sure that you become successful in Forex. Especially if you choose to become a scalper or a day trader, trading sessions plays a very, very important. I hope this video has made all these above points very, very clear. I have written a book on trading. That is, Traders You Can Win, but First Learn to Lose. This book will also give you a lot of information about trading styles and trading sessions. It is available on Amazon. If you love the content that I'm creating, please like and share. And for more such informative videos on finance, Forex, personality development, please subscribe to my channel. All I can say is keep learning, keep growing. Thank you. Namaskar.